Tonight, the KCBD Investigates team has new information on why something we all drink could trigger kidney disease and new research here in Lubbock that could bring a cure.
It's already widely known that long-term exposure to high levels of arsenic can lead to kidney failure. That's why a research team at Texas Tech wanted to know if low levels of arsenic, like the amount found in our water, could also affect our kidneys. What they ended up discovering could be life-saving.
KCBD NewsChannel 11 investigative reporter Shaylee Sanders explains.
It's a two-year project that won an award, was just published in a scientific journal, and affects people right here on the South Plains.
Historically, kidney disease has been more prevalent in Texas than other states in the U.S.
In 2016, the KCBD Investigates team interviewed the director of the Water Resources Center at Texas Tech about water systems in our area still testing positive for pesticides that had not been used since the 1960s and 70s.
These are human-made chemicals, and they are extremely resistant, which is why they work great as pesticides, but they persist for like hundreds of years.
Associate professor at Texas Tech University, Dr. Kamaleshwar Singh, says some of those pesticides contained arsenic.
So that might make a sense, a correlation between arsenic exposure and high prevalence of kidney disease in the South Plains regions and Texas in general.
Singh says here in West Texas, many are consuming low levels of arsenic in their drinking water on a daily basis. In 2001, the Environmental Protection Agency adopted a new standard in drinking water of 10 parts per billion, replacing the old standard of 50 parts per billion. Water systems had to meet the new standard by January of 2006, but still to this day, water systems here on the South Plains struggle to meet that standard. Singh and graduate student Yue Chong teamed up 2 years ago to test just how safe consuming 10 parts per billion of arsenic for a long period of time really is. For 6 months, they exposed human kidney cells to that low dose of arsenic. The results?
Even at the lower dose, normally we get exposed to arsenic can actually cause kidney disease.
The good news, these researchers also looked into a cure.
There's a certain drug approved by FDA which we found can reverse or inhibit the effects of arsenic exposure back to normal kidney cells.
The drug is currently being used to treat blood cancer, but these researchers believe it could be used to treat kidney disease.
So this needs to be clinically tested, whether it can be used for kidney disease or not, and if it can be used, what dose of the drug can be used so that it cannot have adverse effect.
And while further research is needed, the significance of these findings earned them a spot in the Journal of Cellular Physiology, and Chong won a renal toxicology award from the Society of Toxicology. Now they plan to do further testing in hopes this research could help save lives. Shaylee Sanders, KCBD News Channel 11.
And we have a link to the publication of Chong and Singh's work on our website and our KCBD mobile app.